Hey there everybody, and welcome to the Sketch with Nmoh channel. And in this video I'll be showing you how to draw a tiger. So this is the continuation of the part 1 video. So this is the part 2 video, and make sure you watch the part 1 video also. So in the part 1 video I did the basic shading, as you could see, the basic fur, the basic stripes of the tiger, and the guidelines. Yeah, so now in this video I'm going to be highlighting the stripes, do the shading of the nose, so that'll be done in this video. So you could see that I'm now highlighting the eyes of the tiger. There I'm just highlighting it around with my dark color pencil. So I'm using my black color pencil here. As you can see, I'm highlighting the pupil, the edge of the eye, and yeah, I'm just highlighting all of that part, and then I'll be doing the stripes also. So you could see I'm drawing the fur of the tiger. So this is gonna be the outside fur. So I'll just how I did in the last video, I did the fur with my pencil, a normal ordinary pencil. So here I'll just be gonna do that thing with all the stripes with a black color pencil. Just doing it again, right? So I'm just doing all the stripes, and you could see and you can observe that all the stripes are pointing towards the vision, a point right there. So they are pointing there, and they're pointing all towards that direction, and they're pointing there. So I'm doing the forehead here, then I'll do the ears, then the fur, then I'll do the snout region, the nose, the shading of the nose, and all that. So now I'll take this video and time lapse and do all the stripes. So get ready for the time lapse. And now I'm done with the tiger. I did the stripes of the tiger, the dark stripes. I highlighted it, and I'll be doing the nose, the snout region, and then I'm just erasing all the basic guidelines that I drew in the part 1 video. I did that. The first thing that I did was the guidelines. So I'm just now erasing the guidelines because it's of no use now, and we don't need them. And then after the next part and the next thing that I'll be doing is just the detailing of the tiger. So we don't need the guidelines for the detailing, right? Then I just am erasing all that, and then I'm doing the nose of the tiger. So the nose is slanting, it's very light. I am just drawing it in a very light manner, a very light shade. So I'm not doing it in darkly, and I took out my graphite pencil again back, so I'm just shading it very lightly. So I'll just take a break and again come back with you, and again come back with you. So I'll just take a break, quick break. Now my tiger is ready. Not ready exactly, but almost ready. I just need to do the detailing, and in this break I just smudged all the nose area. I just, can you see that I drew some mark over there. You could see that besides around the ear, there's a very light part, so you shouldn't shade that part around the eye of the tiger, so you shouldn't shade the part which is around the eye. So you need to keep that white, okay? So don't shade that. And then I just used a tissue paper to smudge all the lines in the tiger. You just smudge it with the tissue paper, and it looks very good. It looks beautiful. And now I'm just drawing the whiskers of the tiger. Using my pencil, I decided to draw white whiskers and not black whiskers, so I just drew black as a background, and I did the white whiskers white in color. So this is it, and yeah, and I'll just in this video I'll just do the whiskers, and the other side of the whiskers I'll hit the video into time lapse. So for that I'll do time lapse, and for the detailing I'll do the time lapse. So now I'll just kick this video in time lapse, and in the time lapse I'll do the detailing the sketch. So I'll do that, and so guys, get ready for the time lapse, and after time lapse I'll be ready with my furious or just aggressive tiger. So get ready for the time lapse that I'm going to be doing. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, my tiger is ready, and now the detailing part is all done. Alright, so it's almost complete, and this video has come to an end. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Bye bye.